Do you know you can choose between smoother scrolling or better battery life on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? With motion smoothness, you can adjust your screen refresh rate. Let me show you how to change it. First, open setting, scroll down and tap display. Scroll down again and then tap motion smoothness. Here you will see two options. The first option is adaptive, which is selected by default. This setting gives you smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. The second option is standard. This limits your screen to up to 60 Hz, which helps save battery life. Now choose the option you prefer and then tap apply. And that's how you make your screen smoother or save battery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.